Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on ZignTech. Today we will learn how to make a smartphone screen feel smoother, which is a very helpful thing for a precision touch demanding applications like PUBG Mobile and Call of Duty Mobile and etc. First thing you need to do is a glasses cleaning cloth. You will thoroughly clean your smartphone screen with it, and then you will need to use Vaseline, which you can find in any pharmacy. Use a little bit with your small finger and apply it on the screen thoroughly. Don't forget any part or point from the screen, and don't let any part of the screen without cleaning. Then use the cloth again to further spread and smoothen smoothen the Vaseline uh, on the entire screen, and after wiping very well, as you can see, it will be really smooth, as you can see, just like a brand new screen. So thank you very much for watching, and if you like to see more stuff like this, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.